Have you ever opened your eyes, only to realize you're still inside a dream? Imagine being fully aware that you're dreaming, able to fly, to explore, to control your world like a god in your own universe. That's not fiction. That's called lucid dreaming. And tonight, you're going to learn how to do it. Lucid dreaming isn't just for monks or mystics or advanced meditators. It's a natural human ability. You've probably already done it just once or twice, by accident. But what if you could do it on purpose? What if, every night, you could enter a world where the only limit is your imagination? In this beginner's guide, I'll show you how to lucid dream as soon as tonight. Step by step. No fluff. No nonsense. Just the real, tested methods. Let's begin. First, what exactly is a lucid dream? A lucid dream happens when you become aware that you're dreaming while you're still in the dream. Your body sleeps, but your mind awakens. This isn't some fantasy. It's backed by neuroscience. During lucid dreams, the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for decision-making and awareness, actually lights up. That means you can make conscious choices just like you're awake, but inside a dream. And the benefits: better sleep quality, creative breakthroughs, overcoming nightmares, even healing emotional wounds. But before we dive into the techniques, let's bust a myth. You don't have to be a master meditator. You don't need expensive gear. You only need commitment and the willingness to trust your mind. So how do you lucid dream tonight? Step 1. Set your intention before sleep. The mind follows focus. So tonight, before you sleep, tell yourself, "Tonight, I will know that I'm dreaming." Repeat it like a mantra. Say it slowly. Believe it. This simple intention primes your subconscious to activate during dreams. Step 2. Start a dream journal. As soon as you wake up, even before checking your phone, write down everything you remember from your dreams. Even if it's just colors, fragments, feelings, write it down. This builds your dream recall. And more importantly, it trains your brain to pay attention to the dream world. Step 3. Practice reality checks. Throughout your day, pause and ask yourself, "Am I dreaming?" Try to push your finger through your palm. Look at text twice. Does it change? Pinch your nose and try to breathe through it. If you make this a habit during the day, it will carry into your dreams. And when you do it there, you'll realize, "I'm dreaming." That's the switch. That's the moment you awaken inside the dream. Step 4. Use the wake back to bed method, WBTB. Set an alarm 5 to 6 hours after you fall asleep. When it wakes you, stay up for 10 to 15 minutes. Read about lucid dreams. Remind yourself, "The next time I dream, I'll know it's a dream." Then go back to sleep. This method significantly increases your chances because your brain re-enters REM sleep fast. But now it's primed for awareness. Step 5. Visualize before sleep. As you close your eyes, imagine a dream scene. Visualize walking through a forest or flying over a city. Focus on the sensation, the emotion, the detail. This helps guide your dream direction and increases the likelihood of lucidity. But here's the secret most guides don't tell you. Lucid dreaming is not about forcing control. It's about awareness. When you chase control, the dream becomes unstable. When you relax into awareness, the dream expands. And yes, you might fail the first few times. That's okay. Dreaming is like training a wild horse. Be gentle. Be patient. Be consistent. Want to increase your chances even more? Avoid alcohol and screens before bed. Try to sleep in complete darkness. Practice light meditation or mindfulness during the day. It strengthens your awareness, which translates into your dreams. Now, let me answer a question you may be wondering. Is lucid dreaming dangerous? The short answer: no. You're always safe. You always wake up. But like any powerful tool, it demands respect. If you dive too deep, too fast without grounding, you might confuse dream with reality. So go slow, stay aware, stay grounded. One final thing. The first lucid dream is always unforgettable. The moment you realize you're dreaming, the sudden burst of freedom, the joy of flying, of walking through walls, of creating something with just a thought, it changes you, not just while you sleep, but in how you see your waking life. You begin to understand that reality, too, can be shaped, that limits are often illusions. So tonight, when you lie down, remember your intention, breathe slowly, visualize clearly, and ask yourself, am I dreaming? Because maybe you already are.